Click Safety. Click Risk Management. The Options menu will open automatically. Make a date period selection. Since you are running a built-in report, no further selections must be made. Click Apply Changes. To view the built-in report selection, click Reports. Review the list of reports to choose from and make a selection. For each report, you have the option to prepare PDF or view in browser. Your report may take a few moments to generate. In this example, we chose to view the idling violations report in browser. To download the data, click Reports. You have the option to download the report as an Excel or PDF file. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for how to generate a built-in risk management report.